just got done making this 6-inch action figure, fully posable, for a guy in Guam. Kind of cool how my parts and stuff are getting all around the world, the map, you know what I'm saying? I just thought I'd show you guys. Not too bad. Looks pretty close. I'll try to upload a picture of the guy on the thing. But I redid myself. I don't know, tinkering around with different things. Like this is supposed to be prof. It's difficult to paint. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. I enjoy making the little action figures. Little custom, super custom. I got this guy. Check this guy out. This is a little project that I've been kind of working on for a buddy. Is like making some fender wells for whatever this is, the D1 RC Speedy. A battery cover deal back here. These two pieces pop out magnetically, yeah, and then you can fit a pretty big battery back in there, and then you just let the magnets clip it back in, and then you get the full kind of space down in there. So kind of neat. Another thing, I don't know if you can see in there, but I drew up a dash and a steering wheel, little center console to hold the power switch in there for the 99s, because for some reason you have to cycle the power when you're using a switched power ESC. But got low rant system in there, got a little GPS unit, we got boost gauge, fuel gauge, temp gauge, RPM, speed. Put them in kilometers though, because we're funny. And then little switch panel up there. I got to put his dice back in there, but before I ship this thing out. But I also made a little harness, little 3D printed magnet harness. I just made like a kind of a V to where it slips over the head, but then it's so hard to see in there. The seat belt pops out, and then the guy will come out of the vehicle, but all of it just kind of snaps back into place together, holds itself. It's kind of cool. Just messing around with little ideas and stuff. This is kind of a fun project. I might upload this to the website if there's any interest in these interior. Oh, flip the buggy around here. Try to maybe get another covers just on top of the VFD twin transmission and extends out to give you a nice little shifter position, and then you can either leave this switch here or cut it off right there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, check it out. I was gonna put another little post that comes out, like a little sissy bar that you see, but this is all finished. I'm gonna ship her out to my buddy. All he has to do now is change his relinks, and hopefully he'll be able to compete if the classes aren't filled out for We Rock Nationals. If you guys are going, let me know in the comments. It'd be cool to see you guys there. Okay, way too long later, boys. We have somewhat of an interior. I decided to go the magnetic butt route so the boys stay in there. I made this little cover. I cleaned up the wiring a little bit. I'm not quite sure exactly how this is going to look in the end. I just want to kind of get this ready for the event that is tomorrow, actually in a few hours, right? So I just got this done, where we got a battery. We got the cover with the dudes on. I got the dash glued in there into the body, hacked up to fit in the thing. So when we slide her on, boom, make sure it's on there. And then we put a hole through here you can see we got 2 screws to line the bed up, and then the front is held on by magnets, but that's kind of what she looks like. We got the boys in there. We got to change drivers, make sure that the buggy gets there. But I need to test it, make sure it runs real quick. But yeah, I just need to finish a few things. I got some of the LEDs installed, a couple of them. I got this ground out. It looks like terrible, but you'll see in the end. I got this LED in. I need some white ones for here that I don't have right now, so I don't know if I'm going to finish wiring this or not to have the lights functioning, but our plan is to use these cob LEDs that'll fit into that little channel there and then wrap around, and then it's going to look super BA, if you will. But yeah, I just gotta go charge some batteries, get some other things. I'll edit this video, upload it so I can get something out for the week. But if you guys like any of these videos, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, you know, do the dang thing. I also want to shout out Tommy Rockins from my first channel member. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. You got the discount code on the website, so if anything you need, brother, let me know. Anyway, yes, this is the little GMC that I've been working forever on. Like I said, if you guys like, comment, subscribe, I'll keep posting. But anyway, peace!
I saw that in you. I hadn't seen that. Any idea how long that took? Yeah.
268 hours.
Oh, is that all?
That's all. Assembly's done.
Oh, that was just print time.
Yeah.
Wow. That's insane.
Can you say that again? What? 3,268 hours of printing. Assembly not included.
It's crazy, dude. That's awesome. High quality.
Yeah, see you around, man.
I love this stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the third annual Rocky Mountain Red Festival. If you are just coming in, there is so many cool things to see. So check out everything in the first building and then make your way to the second building, which is to the left of the front door you came into. You'll find a whole...
So this is fully 3D printed.
I mean, how do you get something that big to print? Is it just a giant printer?
Lots of different pieces.
Oh, so it's like just a photo.
Yeah, basically. Yep. And there's a bunch of cameras and sensors in there running on AI. So we can just do everything by himself. Cool. Yeah. There's some worms and stuff that pop out.
That's cool.
The camera to see people on. I can print a
This is your maximum print speed. 40 millimeters per second, just like mine.
Look at that bad boy. Rockets.
Die. Stay there. Hey, there.
Hug him to death.
You can hold him against the wall for up to 10 seconds.
You hold it against the wall and like self-destruction.
I probably shouldn't have ran in front of the weapon.
He's gotta run away now.
Spin your ramp into him.
Surprisingly staying like together. I mean, the ramp isn't. What PLA is good?
Apparently PLA Pro. It's the pre-printed one that they sent me.
That's about the best you can use. Yeah, so like, because it breaks like that really good. Right?
Yeah.
If you're actually the developer of it,
enjoy RC cars.
What's that?
So I enjoy RC cars. So the 3D print them, see them like fully almost 3D printed is crazy.
Yeah.
You said the guy that makes them is over there? You make these.
So we sell kits. The designs are done by 3D Sense. And then what we do is we sell a hardware kit. So it's everything except the STLs for the printed parts. At this point, we actually are able to resell the radios and batteries.
Okay.
So you can essentially get all the hardware you need from us, including the filament that you need to print it. And then you just pick whichever body style you want and then get your files from them. So that's the Landy. There's a couple variations on that. This is the Reaper. And that kit, there's a couple different body styles you can do as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man, Uports just keeps coming out with some crazier and crazier stuff. Every year. They up the bar.
Printing right now is a QR code that you can scan to go pre-order. So if you're interested,
Look at all these pieces. Crazy. Look at this bad boy's lit up. So I'm ready to battle.
Alright. We're gonna put 2 minutes on the clock. Everybody moving okay? Test your hammer back and forth, left thumb. Test your chest, back and forth, right thumb. Here we go. Go ahead and test your treads. Give it a quick spin, super fast. Alright, you ready? You set. Go. There you go.
Hey, there you go.
Oh. No.
where it's actually